National Weather Service in Brownsville has issued a flash flood warning for northern Brooks County and deep South Texas until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:54 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated a thunderstorm producing heavy rain across the warned area. Radar is estimating that 3 to 5 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly with an ADO now 2 to 3 inches expected. Some locations that will experience flooding include Val Farias, La Colonia Park, Val Farias Fire Station, Val Farias Junior High School, Playson Park, Airport Road Addition, Brooks County Airport, Hidalgo City Park, Cantu Addition and Brooks County Detention Center. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. The National Weather Service in Brownsville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Brooks County and deep South Texas until 8:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Val Farias Junior High School or near Val Farias and moving east at 20 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Val Farias, La Colonia Park, Val Farias Fire Station, Val Farias Junior High School, Airport Road Addition, Playson Park, Brooks County Airport, Flawala, Hidalgo City Park, Cantu Addition and Brooks County Detention Center. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging winds, destructive hail, deadly lightning and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Heavy rains flood roads quickly, so do not drive into areas where water covers the road. In addition to large hail and damaging winds, continuous ground-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is also occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. The National Weather Service in Brownsville has issued